Welcome to the SDA's 4003rd ride. We're going to go ahead and start up the bike. Oh, hi. We're going to go for a ride up on the Allegheny Ridge, I guess, today because there's snow up on the hillsides. Well, that camping trip's over. Now it's time for a little routine maintenance. Get the bike fixed up and ready for another run. Do you know what I mean? We're going to finish washing it up. We've already started. I mean, this dude is greasy and grimy, and we've got to clean it up. So we'll check it out later. After all this chain lube's been cleaned off of it, we'll put it back together and we'll be ready for the next ride, you know. Many hours later than we started. We've got a cleaned up bike. It's been cleaned up. Air cleaner's clean and it's back in. Front disc cover has been epoxied where there was a crack in it. Took a toothbrush and cleaned up all the gunky oil off these areas from the chain lube. Adjusted the chain and lubed it. As you can see, just basically cleaned up the whole bike. And now we're ready for another ride, which means it's just plain gonna get dirty again.